folks, man? It's Cory, and we're back with another Monk's Box, man, unboxing video series, and back on my sneaker tip today, man. Like, it's kind of crazy that, I came across these. This isn't a particularly new sneaker. Matter of fact, I think they got released around August of 2020, and it was just weird. I just saw this pattern and silhouette online, and it caught my attention, and I'm like, what are those? But not in a bad way. And come to find out, we're gonna have today the ISPA Flow 2020 version, man. And it's crazy because Nike has been doing this ISPA series, a lot of really crazy patterns, colors, and just design elements overall, man. Like, I'm a sucker for crazy, funky color patterns and design patterns, when it comes to sneakers. These things catch my eye and they just stand out to me, man. I really don't be wanting everything that everyone else has, man. You know what I'm saying? I know people love their Jordans and all this other stuff, but I really go and look for the really crazy colors, the really crazy silhouettes, really crazy designs, just so I can stand out. You know what I'm saying? When I'm out and about. But I guess ISPA stands for improvise, scavenge, protect, and adapt, according to Nike. And these are shoes that are going to be made. Some of them even have recycled materials. Some have new crazy space age type materials, like just unconventional designs and patterns and stuff like that. And they just get wild, man. A lot of crazy designs, but I'm definitely messing with these the Nike Flow, man. So let's go ahead and take it out the box, man. So this box is pretty cool. It even looks like something that's like a recycled material, you know what I'm saying? Like just really wild, dude. Has all the stuff on it. And yeah, without further ado, man, let's get one of these shoes out and get it on the table. So this color is crazy. I can't even describe it, man. It's kind of like a muted, like just crazy pattern, man. Look at this, man. This is insane, dude. Like I said, the immediate thing that stands out is just the crazy details, the nooks and crannies, the kind of stuff that I like. We've got this really crazy, almost foam-like, lower. You know what I'm saying? This is kind of like a muted mint green, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is crazy, but everything on this is just so unconventional and crazy looking, man. Like, you know what I'm saying? This sole, and these things are light as air. Just from picking them up, there's no weight to these things, man. So we do have just unconventional nooks and crannies. I mean, even the toe cap, man. What is this? That's insane to me right here. You know what I'm saying? We rotate this thing. What's really wild is this indentation on the bottom, where the arch is supposed to go. They totally cut out this bottom, as you'll see when I flip it over. Look at that. We've got this crazy bridge structure. It's like a hardened rubber plastic that kind of, I guess that's going to give you that arch support, coming out from under here. But the things are insane, man. Like I said, this thing is light as an air. I'm not sure if it's coming across on the video, but even the walls on it, this is kind of translucent. So whenever you put your socks on, that's going to kind of show through a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So you could probably pull off some crazy looks with this, depending on the color of the sock that you put on, you know what I'm saying, with this shoe. But let's get into some details, man, too. We got, like, stuff inside the sole, like, that crazy color pattern. This thing is insane to me, dude. And like I said, they are light as an air, man. Another interesting standout feature is this heel. What is that? What's going on here? Like, that's insane. Look when I rotate this thing, man. Like, this thing is just so crazy. It looks wild from every angle. And I will point out, like, if you're interested in this shoe, you could get these right now on the reseller market way below retail. You know what I'm saying? I'm not sure what happened with this thing. Maybe they got lost in the shuffle, or maybe they just got buried by other releases and people lost interest. But this shoe is, really insane, man. Like I said, it's solid. And these crazy details, man. Like, the top of it almost looks like, what's that Dragon Ball Z fighter's head, man? Like Piccolo's dome or something, yo. Like, it's not Piccolo, it's the other guy. I don't know these characters, man. Wasn't big on Dragon Ball, but there's a guy that's all green and the top of his head kind of looks like that. But this thing is crazy, man. We got some weird, I don't even know, man. Like, it's the materials. I can't even describe this. This outer part is like a foam, but within this, man, you got like a really hardened, translucent rubber. This thing is insane, bro. This is like definitely the kind of shoe that stands out to me when I go, you know, looking for sneakers and looking for craziness, man. So it's insane, bro. Like, I can't describe it, man. Definitely, you know what I'm saying? This is the ISPA Flow 2020 version. And there's a bunch of other ones. I think there is another color scheme that's a little bit more yellowish and a little bit more black, you know what I'm saying, with this. But also, you know, like with this shoe, you know, the translucency, like your socks are going to kind of show through this, man. I've seen people rocking, you know, socks that were, you know, this kind of neon green color accent, and they show through, you know, because even on the side right here, let me take this stuffing out. You know, right here, you can see straight through that. You know what I'm saying? This window right here, you're going to see whatever's in there. You're going to see that, you know, kind of showing through. So you could probably pull off some crazy looks with this thing, man. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, man, me being an opportunist as well, like the price was just really great. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, hopefully this COVID clears up a little bit, because I'm trying to rock niggas this summer. You know what I'm saying? Like Ghostface Killer said, you know? But yeah, this is the ISPA Flow 2020, man. Like I said, it's out there, you know what I'm saying, on this reseller market, man. You get a nice deal on this crazy, wild shoe that I'm pretty sure it's not even on most people's radar and no one's gonna have, you know what I'm saying? But that's it, man. I've been out of here, man. Let me go back to staring at this stock ticker, man. I'm trying to take advantage of this AMC, GameStop, Dogecoin wave, you know what I'm saying, and not lose my underwear in the process. But I'm out, yo. Like, subscribe to the channel. We'll be back with more unboxing stuff, man. Peace. Monk is out.